explorers! Let's learn the alphabet of underwater animals. Are you ready to dive deep into the ocean and meet amazing sea animals? From A to Z, let's splash in and see. Let's go! A is for angelfish, bright and beautiful like a rainbow. A is also for anemone, soft and wiggly. And anchovy, a tiny fish that swims in schools. B is for blue whale, the biggest animal in the world. B is also for barracuda, who swims super fast. And for beluga whale that sings underwater songs. C is for clownfish, who loves to hide and see anemones. C is for crab, who walks sideways on the sand. And for corals that build colorful homes for fish. D is for dolphin, who loves to jump and play. D is for dugong, who munches on seagrass all day long. And for damselfish that adds color to the coral reefs. E is for eel, long and twisty like a ribbon. E is for emperor penguin that waddles on ice but swims like a pro. An elephant seal has a big funny nose. F is for flounder, flat like a pancake. F is for flying fish that can leap out of the water. And fire coral glows bright under the sea. G is for great white shark, strong and powerful. G is for goby, who is tiny but brave. And green sea turtle glides gracefully through the waves. H is for hammerhead shark, with a head like a hammer. H is for hermit crab, who carries his home on his back. And humpback whale sings deep ocean songs. I is for irukandji jellyfish, tiny but tricky. for icefish, that lives in icy cold waters. And isopod looks like a little underwater bug. J is for jellyfish, floating like a balloon. J is for jackfish, that swims in shiny silver schools. And jawfish digs tiny holes in the sand. K is for killer whale, also called orca. K is for king crab, who wears a spiky red shell. And krill feeds the biggest whales. L is for lobster, with big claws. L is for lionfish, that has stripes like a tiger. And leafy sea dragon looks just like seaweed. M is for manatee, the gentle sea cow. M is for manta ray, that spreads its wings and flies underwater. And moray eel hides in coral caves. N is for nudibranch, a colorful sea slug. N is for Napoleon wrasse, which is big and friendly. And nurse shark likes to nap in the sand. O is for octopus, with 8 amazing arms. O is for oyster, that makes shiny pearls. And olive ridley turtle loves warm beaches. P is for pufferfish, who blows up like a balloon. P is for parrotfish, which has a beak like a parrot. And porpoise is a playful swimmer. Q is for queen angelfish, wearing a royal crown. Q is for quahog clam, that lives buried in the sand. And queen triggerfish is colorful and bold. R is for rockfish, hiding among the rocks. R is for reef shark, who guards the coral reefs. And Remora rides on bigger fish. S is for seahorse, who dances in pairs. S is for squid, who squirts ink to hide. And starfish has 5 sparkly arms. T is for tuna, super fast and shiny. T is for tiger shark, that has stripes like a tiger. And triggerfish guards its home bravely. U is for urchin, covered in spikes. U is for umbrella octopus that spreads its arms wide. And unicorn fish that has a funny horn. V is for viperfish with sharp teeth. V is for vaquita, a shy little porpoise. And Venus clam that hides under the sand. W is for walrus with long tusks. W is for whale shark, who is big but gentle. And wobbegong shark that lies flat on the sea floor. X is for X-ray fish. You can see right through it. X is for Xiphias, the swordfish. It has a pointy nose. And Xenopus, the frog, who loves splashing around. Y is for yellow tang, bright and sunny. Y is for yellowfin tuna that zips through the sea. And yellowtail snapper that shines in gold. Z is for zebra shark with cool spots. Z is for zooplankton, the tiny ocean floaters. and Zebrafish that has stripes like a zebra. Wow, we met so many amazing sea creatures today. From angelfish to zebra shark, the ocean is full of wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and swim by again for more underwater adventures. Bye-bye, little explorers.